In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a channel on Slack. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that to support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to create a channel in Slack Workspace, go ahead and log into your Workspace. And once you are here, you can see we have the channels option. Now, if you already have another channel or other channels, if you click down, you can see a list of all channels that you have. To create a new channel, there are two ways. If you hover over the word channels and click on these more options here, you can see we have an option to create, and here you can create a new channel or create a section. Alternatively, if you head over down here, you can see we have this option called add channels. If you click on this plus, you can see we have an option to create a new channel. So go ahead and click on create and choose whether you want to create a blank channel or if you want to use any of these templates. For my case, I'll choose blank channel and then click on next. And here, go ahead and give your channel a name. So mine is editorial channel. And once you're done, before you click on create, go ahead and choose the visibility status of your channel. So if you leave your channel public, it means everyone that is in your workspace will be able to join. However, if you set it to private, then it means only specific people can join, and these are those you have invited. For my case, I'll set it to private, then click on create, and this will go ahead and now create this new channel. Now from here, you can proceed and add members immediately or skip for later. So let me go ahead and add one member, and for this I'll add one of the members that is on my workspace. So I'll add this member, and to add them, just click on add and they'll be added on my channel. So you can see the channel is now live, and here it is. So that's how you can create a new channel on Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.